In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add motion blur on DaVinci Resolve, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on Fusion at the bottom and clicking on Control Space. This will actually open up a tool selector. So the first tool you're going to need is optical flow. So you're just going to add that. And the second tool you're going to need by clicking Control Space once again is vector motion blur. So add that as well. Now, as you can see, mine did this automatically, but you may have to actually move these arrows with your mouse so that it goes from media in to optical flow, from optical flow to vector motion blur, and then from vector motion blur all the way to media out. Now, that's really all there is to it, but if you do want to change the motion blur stronger or weaker, you can click on the vector motion blur, click on Inspector at the top right corner, and then you can click on Scale so that it is more or less. As you can see that the ball is blurrier. So if I just go like that, then motion blur is added to my game. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.